Welcome to Projex ERP Portal. Today we will learn how to make the employee data entry on this portal. To get started, first of all, you need to open any browser and enter here projexrp.com. After this, if it is the first time, then you have to register. But if you are already registered, then you can directly go to login. Enter your ID and password here. After putting the ID and password, you will see an option of services available on this portal. Here, you will see ERP and Payroll. If you want to use ERP, then select ERP. For now, we shall use Payroll. So we have taken Payroll. Now, you will be redirected to the Projex ERP HR and Payroll portal. First of all, you need to complete the setup. There are 4 fields under the Setup option. 1. Master Setup. 2. HR Setup. 3. Account Setup, and 4th Leave Setup. After completing the setup, you can feed the employee data. In the Master Setup, you will define basic company information such as company details and location. In the HR Setup, you configure company departments, employee designations, types of employment and attendance methods. In the Accounts Setup, you will define overtime rate, payment mode like cash/check/NEFT, etc., salary day and salary structure like basic, HRA, etc. In the Leave Setup, you configure types of leave, leave rates, and policies. Now we will discuss how to enter employee data. So now we will go to HR to entry to add new employee and fill in the required details such as employee number, employee name, gender, guardian name, relationship with guardian, date of birth, date of joining, qualification, address, mobile number, email ID, ID proof, and ID number. Now next, select total experience of employee, employment type, permanent/temporary/contract basis, company location, company name, department, designation. Apart from that, you can also configure leave or OT allowed or not, employee type, weekly off, shift, employee status, active or inactive, salary day, salary mode, etc. I hope you liked the video. If you have any query, you can comment. Thank you so much.